welcome to JermaineAuNatural. I am Jermaine. And 2022, Happy New Year. So as you all can see, switched a couple of things up. Got a new intro, some new music. Shout out to Martian Girl, aka Aaliyah, for, giving me some music to use. So I appreciate you for that. Also switched out my flowers, to kind of match the season since it's cold and winter. Thought I'd go with the more floral frosty look. So some of you may know, if you have not, I did a silk press on my hair Thanksgiving, beep, and it was nice, wore it down, got to see my length, like small flex, and stretched it a lot longer than what I should have. So when it came time for me to revert it back, I was a little lost and confused because I felt like there was something special or specific I needed to do. So I read some articles, reached out to licensed professionals, and put a whole list of things together, a whole wash day together to revert my hair back in the best way possible to maximize getting all of my curl elasticity and moisture and definition back. Beep. And remember that any pop-up videos that happen above are always linked down below. So after the first wash, it looked normal. Last week I washed my hair, but I didn't record it. I clarified again just for good measure with Agile Beauty. Used the Camille Rose Ginger Rinse. Then did a moisture balancing conditioner with the Onion Handmade with the Hemp. And then did the rest of my styling with the Camille Rose Honey Leave-In and with the Curl Maker. Looked normal, but I did want to come back and at least give a 3-week update on how my hair looks. So this week, CurlSmith, and this time I'm going all moisture. So using the Detox line, the Hydro Mask, Oil and Cream Leave-In, and the little bit of Style Fixer, the in-shower Style Fixer. This will be the final test just to see, to make sure I don't have any heat damage. And I'm going to do it, since I haven't done a musical in a while, I'm going to do a musical JermaineAuNatural style. All right, y'all ready? Let's go. All right, so washed my hair last night, and it has been a almost kind of 24-hour turnaround. So of course you all know that I do not fluff my hair. I don't break my cast. I just let it do what it's going to do naturally on its own. So here's what the hair is looking like with my third wash after my silk press. So let me do a quick 360. So normal, right? Like regular, right? Jermaine is pleased that I don't have heat damage. So yay, this makes me happy. So I like the process that I did. Like I said, my hair looks like it does, like how it always does. It feels like it always does. I've got a nice little crunchy hold on this because from that CurlSmith. I ran out of the in-shower styler and end up having to do majority of my hair with the souffle. Which is, I believe the hold on that is an 8. So it's definitely not my most defined wash and go, but I'm fine with that. The goal was to just make sure that third wash that my hair looked and felt like it normally does. And yeah, I would say, you know, SUCCESS. So, all right, let me know. Comments down below. Have you got your hair silk pressed? Did it revert back like it normally did? Did it bounce back like it normally does? Let me know in the comments down below. And does my hair look normal to you? Does it look
so similar?
All right, so make sure that you like this video, press subscribe. It is the red button. Feel free to share this out as somebody else may want to enjoy the musical featuring CurlSmith on my Revert, no damage, silk press, third wash, Revert video. Wait, did I already say feel free to share? Yes, punch the notification bell so that you can stay abreast of when I post my videos. And again, shout out to Martian Girl for the music. Thank you. And again, thanks for tuning in to JermaineAuNatural. I'll see you in the next one.